One of the most powerful methods classified as a strong marketing strategy for growing your website is email marketing. As of today, email marketing has a very strong reach, and for most of the organizations it gives anywhere between 60 to 80% result as compared to all other marketing strategies taken together. Email marketing allows you to reach a large audience using simple and low maintenance technologies. There are platforms which are available which allow you to design your email in a manner that it will appeal to your prospective client or customer. You should constantly strive at building and growing your marketing lists. I should say your email lists for that matter. Email lists allow for very high conversion rates. They improve your win rate, and also they end up increasing the visitor rate to your website. One particular client of mine, through email marketing, he manages almost 400 to 800 website visitors every day, which is fairly decent. Like I said, there are a number of platforms available. These are various bulk email services. Ideally, the caution point here is that you should resort to a double opt-in for your emails, otherwise you may end up in a spam folder or even end up with getting your domain blacklisted. So use email marketing to the best and grow your work with it. Thank you. Have a good day.